Hey beauties, welcome or welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations, and I trust God you all are doing great. If you're new to my channel, you're very warmly welcome. You're gonna learn here sewing, cooking and your projects. Just go ahead and subscribe so you can get all the further updates related with this channel. If you're already a regular subscriber, I'm sure you already enjoying all these wonderful projects over here. So today we are in my kitchen and I'm going to teach you how to make a perfect chili recipe. As you can see, we have prepared here chili which came out so perfectly. I'm going to show you how you can make flavored and easy steps to make a perfect chili. So let's go ahead and start it. I'm making my chili in a Texas style. You can use any recipe by using just the same kind of ingredients. Prepping is everything. So first of all, we're going to prep all our ingredients. Once all ingredients are prepped together, then we will put everything in a crock pot and cook on a slow heat for a couple hours. So here at the first step, I'm taking a beef steak and we are cutting them in a bite-sized pieces. I want to have nice chunky pieces, so when our chili is prepared, they have a nice flavor in your mouth. Then I'm going to seasoning my beef chunks pieces with the salt, black pepper, garlic powder and ginger powder. You can add more spices if you want, but these are the basic one. I'm going to marinate with these spices and we're going to put aside. Then we are going to prep other stuff. While beef pieces are marinating, I'm going to take a large to medium size of yellow onion and cut in small pieces. We also need 4 to 5 pieces of garlic clove to make a garlic paste. You can use whatever way and easy method to create a garlic paste. Then I'm also taking a half pack of bacon. We need a well greased bacon so we can get a lot of grease from that. And I'm going to make a small chunks out of this bacon as well. Now it's time to place all the bacon in a pan and we're gonna fry the bacon till we get all the grease from the bacon, and after that we will be removing the bacon from the pan and we'll leave alone grease in pan. Now we are going to use same grease from bacon and going to fry our beef steak in two batches because we don't want the all beef chunks get steamed. We want to have a smoky flavor, so we want to have a spaces in these chunks, beef chunks. And I will show you the piece. You want to create the brown texture. You want to have that flavor with your chunks like this. Once beef chunks fried well, you're going to remove them from pan without removing the grease. You have to leave alone grease in a pan, and we're going to use the same grease to sauteed our onions. Once our onions are a little bit sauteed, we will be also adding a garlic together. I like my garlic also be sauteed, but I seen so many people just put the garlic together in a crock pot. So do whatever you want to do. I like have a smoky flavors in my ingredients. Once onion and garlics are sauteed well, we are going to remove them also from pan, and again you are going to remove only onion and garlic, leave alone all the grease in a pan, because now we are going to fry the ground beef in the same grease. We are not using any oil or anything, just the bacon grease for all this recipe to create a lovely delicious flavor. So for this, you no need to break up too much your ground beef. All you just have to open the beef and flatten in your pan, because we want to have on a bottom layer have that smokiness brown shade color in your ground beef. And also I'm using some salt, some garlic powder, ginger powder, and some black pepper just to have a little bit more flavor in my ground beef. Once the ground beef is done, now all our prepping is done and we are ready to put all the ingredients together in a crock pot. So here we are adding our ingredients in a crock pot. First I'm going to add a sauteed onion and garlic together on a bottom layer. Then also I'm going to add our beef steak chunks with the ground beef. We have a brownish also. Also I'm going to add 2 red kidney beans cans and chili kit. I'm going to share the picture on a side so you can have some idea. I was ended up adding a full pack of that chili kit, which comes with the 3 individual seasonings, masa, chili seasoning and paprika. I had also added some my own paprika with the garam masala little bit just to have a more flavor, but you can add whatever you have spices you have in your hand to create your own flavor. I also used 2 tomato cans, tomato puree and tomato chunks, which created a more flavor, and you know that's some more important ingredients in your chili recipe. This recipe also required 1 full beef broth. Don't overdo water or any beef broth in your chili. Once your all ingredients are just have a level up water, you are fine. And at the end I'm also adding the bacon we had fried, which going to create more flavor. So everything is fine together in this crock pot. Now I'm just setting up for 1 hour high to low heat, and that's the end result. You can see how those all ingredients came together and flavor was absolutely delicious. I hope you are going to try this recipe and make your own way and be creative in this winter season. And as you can see, this bowl of chili is just so perfect to enjoy in this winter. If you really like this recipe, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share with your family and friends so many people can learn about sewing, cooking, and DIY projects. I love you all. God bless you all. Be safe wherever you are and have always abundant life. Bye bye.